Hey entrepreneurs! Welcome back to Business Rocket Pro channel, where we turn everyday business dreams into unstoppable realities. Today's video is a game changer. If you're running a small or medium-sized business, or thinking of starting one, you must have a clear, practical strategy. Not a 100-page document collecting dust in your shelf, but a real, actionable strategy that drives your business growth on a daily basis. Stick around, take your notebook and a pen as we break down how to craft a winning strategy for your business. The key elements we are going to cover today are 1. The key elements of a winning business strategy. 2. How to choose the right strategy for your business. And 3. How to actually implement it step by step. This is the exact blueprint that has been used by high-growth businesses around the world. Let's dive in. What is a business strategy? Let's start with the basics. A business strategy is your game plan. It's how you win. It's what helps you focus, outsmart the competition, and align your team toward one goal. Think of it like GPS. If you don't know where you're going or how to get there, you're just burning fuel. A good strategy therefore answers 3 critical questions. 1. Where are we now? 2. Where do we want to go? 3. How will we get there? Without it, you're just reacting to problems instead of creating opportunities. What then are the core elements of a winning business strategy? Effective business strategies have these 7 core elements. 1. Vision and mission. 2. Situational analysis. 3. Strategic goals. 4. Value proposition. 5. Competitive advantage. 6. Strategic initiatives. 7. KPIs. We are going to briefly break these down. Number 1. Your business's vision and mission, or the North Star. A business vision statement provides a destination for the organization while the mission statement provides a guiding light of how to get to the destination. These are your whys. Why do you exist, now and in the future? What's the big change you want to make in your industry or community? Example vision statement. Our vision is to improve the well-being of our customers, community, and people connected to our enterprise. An example mission statement would be like, our mission is to make healthy food accessible and affordable to every household in Nairobi. Number 2. Situation analysis, knowing where you stand. Use tools like the SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, analysis matrix. Additionally, analyze your competitors, your financials, customer feedback, and internal performance and understand where your business stands. Number 3. Strategic goals, where you want to go. Your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. An example of a SMART goal is: grow revenue by 30% in 12 months by launching an online store. Number 4. Value proposition, why customers choose you. What makes you different or better? Lower price? Better service? Unique products? Ask yourself, why should someone buy from you instead of your competitor? Number 5. Competitive advantage, your secret weapon. This could be your technology, your team, your supply chain, your brand, or even your customer experience. This is what you double down on. Number 6. Strategic initiatives, your big moves. This refers to the 3 to 5 key projects that will help you hit your goals. Some examples include expanding into 3 new cities, launching a mobile app, training staff on customer service excellence, etc. Number 7. Key performance indicators, KPIs. This refers to how you will measure your success. These could include sales, website traffic, customer satisfaction, profit margins and such other metrics. Remember, what gets measured, gets managed. How to choose the right strategy for your business. Alright, Now that we know what a good strategy will contain, so how do you know which strategy fits your business? There's no one-size-fits-all. But here's a simple 3-step filter to help you choose. Step number 1, understand your business model. Are you selling products or services? Are you in a business-to-customer, B2C, or business-to-business, B2B, kind of business? Are you in a high-volume, low-margin or high-margin, low-volume business? Each model requires a different approach. For example, a retail store might focus on customer experience and location. A B2B service firm, on the other hand, might need to focus on reputation and long-term contracts. Step number 2, know your customers deeply. Use tools like customer personas or empathy maps to describe and understand who your customer is, and what they are seeking. Additionally, talk to real customers and understand their concerns, likes and preferences. What do they love? What frustrates them? What alternatives are they using? The better you understand your customer, the sharper your strategy becomes. Step number 3, pick a strategy type that matches your stage. Here are 4 common strategies adopted by successful small and medium-sized businesses across the world. Strategy number 1. Cost leadership, being the cheapest with quality. This works great if you can produce at scale or reduce overheads. Strategy number 2. Differentiation, standing out through uniqueness. This works well if you have a special product, brand story, or experience. Strategy number 3. Focus strategy, settling down on a niche. This is best for local, small businesses. This entails dominating a small market rather than being average in a big one. 4. Innovation strategy, doing what no one else has done. This is a risky, but powerful strategy. Innovation could be through tech, delivery, or product design. As an entrepreneur, choose one strategy, or major and minor ones where possible, and go all in. How to implement your strategy. Next, we look at how you implement your chosen strategy. Here is where most businesses fail. Not in planning, but in execution. Here's a simple 6-step action plan. Step 1, communicate the strategy. Get your entire team on board. Use visuals, meetings, focus groups and stories as appropriate for your business. Make sure everyone understands the why behind the plan. If your team doesn't understand the destination, they'll never help you get there. Step 2, break it down into quarterly plans. Set 90-day goals, as well as weekly and daily goals as necessary. People generally think in quarters, not years. Each quarter, tackle specific strategic initiatives. Step 3, assign ownership. Every initiative should have one owner, not a committee. Only one person should be held accountable. That person drives the result. No hiding, no confusion. Step 4, build systems. Systems are how you scale. Create SOPs, standard operating procedures, for repeatable tasks. If you do something more than twice, systemize it. Step 5, track and review progress weekly. Use dashboards to track your progress at regular intervals, preferably weekly. Have weekly 15-minute stand-ups with your team. Talk about what's working, what's not, and what needs unblocking. This keeps momentum alive. Step 6, adapt and adjust. The best strategies evolve. If something isn't working, adjust it. But never lose sight of the vision. Remember, a strategy is a living document, meaning it needs to grow and evolve. It is not a set it and forget it file. Strategy tools and resources. Let's talk tools. Here are a few examples of useful strategic planning and implementation tools for small and medium businesses. For SWOT analysis, you can use free templates offered by Canva and Miro. For project management, you can use Trello, ClickUp or Asana. For goal tracking, you can use Google Sheets, Notion or Monday.com. For financial forecasting, you can use Excel or QuickBooks. For customer relationship management initiatives, you can use HubSpot, Zoho or Pipedrive among other strategic plan example. Let's say you run a small bakery in Nairobi, Kenya. Your strategy document would look as follows. Vision: to be the most loved community bakery in Eastlands region of Nairobi. Mission: to provide affordable, nutritious and high-quality bakery products to our clientele. SWOT: strength, variety in handmade pastries recipes. Weakness: limited seating. Opportunity: online orders. Threat: new bakery across the street. Strategy: focus on online delivery plus 6 unique flavors. Train all service staff for amazing customer service in 6 months. Build my brand on Instagram and TikTok in 2 months. Launch a weekend pre-order system in 6 months. Implementation: assign 3 staff members for marketing. Build website with order system. Partner with delivery riders. Track orders, reviews, and revenue weekly. There you have it, your ultimate guide to building and executing a winning business strategy. What part of your strategy needs the most work, your vision? Your execution? Your goals? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, hit the like button, and subscribe for more no-fluff business advice that actually works. Now go out and build that winning business. See you in the next video.